If hamsters have one seed, seed rare, seed valuable. But if hamsters find more seeds, seed become common, seed not as valuable. Cost push inflation. If seed demand is the same, but Hamster King has less seed to give, seed price go up because seed become more rare. Demand pull inflation. If hamsters demand more seeds, but Hamster King provides the same amount, seed price go up because seed more rare. Production cost inflation. The wheel is the big machine. For Hamster King to give seeds, wheel must run. Hamster gets seed. Hamster pouches seed. Life is good. Hamster tells hamster friends. Now all hamsters want seeds. Hamster King runs wheel more, faster and faster. All day, all night. The wheel gets tired. It goes squeak, squeak. Fixing the wheel costs more. The oil is expensive now. Cost to make seeds go up. So, price of seeds go up. Monetary inflation. If seed demand is the same and seed supply is the same, but hamsters have more paper strips than usual to get seeds, seed price go up, because now paper strips are not worth as much as before. Hyperinflation. Price of seed goes up, so the Hamster King decides to turn on the shredder to create more paper strips so hamsters can afford seeds. So hamsters get more seeds, but seed price goes up to keep up with seed demand. So the Hamster King runs the shredder more, but the price of seeds goes up to keep up with more demand. So the Hamster King runs the shredder more, but the price of seed goes up. So the Hamster King runs the shredder more. This is getting ridiculous. Eventually, the Hamster King burns all the paper strips and starts making plastic spoons the new currency. Inflation is not necessarily bad for a hamster. If a hamster's amount of paper strips goes up at the same rate as the price of seeds, the hamster is happy. If a hamster's amount of paper strips goes up, but the seed price stays the same, the hamster is rich as fuck. If a hamster's paper strips stay the same, but the seed price goes up, the hamster is poor. The hamster is sad. The hamster is all of us. To avoid inflation, a hamster should invest seeds, as this will grow more seeds over time. Sometimes inflation can get really seedy. Please subscribe.